Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having an amazing day. I'm in a very cool place right now. It's this clock tower, but look at this, it's like falling over, but apparently that's part of the design. It's so beautiful, very old. And this super old church here. And my fiance watching me on make video. She's so cute. We're gonna jump into the charts for Bitcoin, predict what's gonna be happening. Hit the subscribe button, join 74,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button down there. You're all amazing. Hit that thumbs up button. Let's get millions. If you smash up this thumbs up button, it allows YouTube's algorithm to push this video across, and that allows us to grow. And I want to be the biggest crypto influencer slash YouTuber in the world and trader. We're going to jump into charts for Bitcoin, predict what's going to happen. I'm going to show you my trades that I have open. Bitcoin pulling back quite a bit here. We're going to be very quick. We'll look at Ethereum as well, and Luna. There's some updates about what's happening. A lot of the validators are agreeing to do that Luna 2.0, or that fork of Luna, the hard fork of Luna. Meaning if you had Luna tokens before, you will be getting the new token and Luna will become Luna Classic. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals on tradingview.com. Bitcoin on the 4-hourly. On the 4-hourly, we're still quite oversold. It is breaking to the downside out of the symmetrical triangle. Stochastic is heading down. Now, I still think the bottom, you have to always do your own due diligence. I'm showing you what I do with my trades. But at this point, when Bitcoin plummeted down to 25,000, that was with Luna selling 80,000 Bitcoin. 80,000 Bitcoin. You heard that right. They sold 80,000 Bitcoin. There was so much panic. Luna crashed. UST destabilized. USDT started to destabilize. So that was so much fear with a huge spike up in volume. I think that was capitulation. So in my opinion, that was the bottom for Bitcoin, and I've been trading because of that. I've been buying Bitcoin here. I also see that we're forming kind of inverse head and shoulders, and that's trying to break this neckline here. The neckline is kind of where we're sitting right now. Now we are in a ascending triangle, or maybe symmetrical triangle, and it did break out to the downside right now, Bitcoin, in the last 4-hourly candle. Stochastic is heading down. RSI is also heading down, but overall it's still heading up, the RSI. So we're still making higher lows, just like Bitcoin is. It's making higher lows. Squeeze mob is still, it's trying to go to the red side. So in my opinion, we're still going to break to the upside. We got rejected out of the EMA ribbons again. And until we break through those EMA ribbons and use them as support, we're in a downward trend. So, but I still think that 25K is the bottom. And now between these two blue lines, we have this local channel that Bitcoin seems to be moving in. Within these two, between 31,200 and 28,500, it's just moving between this channel at the moment. So I do expect we possibly could be coming down to 28,500 before bouncing and then going back to the top of the channel, 31,000. Let's look on the Bitcoin indicator bot has fired a sell on the 4-hourly. Crypto Guru bot has also it's still firing a sell. It hasn't fired a buy. On the hourly, Stochastic is oversold at the moment. RSI is now heading down, more to drop. But Stochastic is quite oversold, so it could be time to be buying actually on the 4-hourly. And Squeeze Mob is going towards the red side. That's not a good sign, so that means we've got more downside. But the thing is, we seem to be holding within this channel and not breaking, so I'm not going to close my trades here. But usually when we break out of a wedge like this, if we get a rebound and a fall confirmation, then I do believe we'll test this lower end. But we're still within this channel until we break 28,390. If you haven't gone long on Bitcoin, I would actually be opening the long after we get to the bottom of the channel. Stop loss below that extreme fear, and the take profit at the 34,000. That gives a 2.8 ratio trade. I'd risk $2,200 to make $6,300 unleveraged. If I use 10x leverage, that would be $63,000. So that's the long that I would take on Bitcoin. I'd wait till it comes here, bounces, confirms, opens a trade at 28,500 to be moving up towards the 34,000. That's the trade that I would be taking on Bitcoin. If you want to trade Bitcoin like you're going to see me do, underneath this video, go down below. You get $8,700 worth of sign-up bonuses now. When you sign up to Bybit, you get $4,600 when you deposit Bitcoin using this link. $4,600 USD with bonuses. When you use this link and deposit Bitcoin, when you deposit Bitcoin, you get 4,600 bonuses on Bybit. NordVPN, if you have any country restrictions. The reasons I use Bybit is they have very low fees. They've never been hacked. They don't have these big liquidation spikes. The link is in the description and the pinned comment. When you sign up, you get this trading software over on Bybit. This one here, in this account, it was at 200,000 or 199,000 earlier today, so we had a bit of a drop, but now it's at 195,000, so quite a big hit, around $3,000 hit. Not much actually in this compared to this account. I've got one Bitcoin in here. I've got BitDAO 44,900 pulling back a little bit. I've got CRV, which went from positive 7% down to negative 1.7%, so 25,000 of that. And I've got a Bitcoin trade open up $300, up 10%. I'll add more to this trade. I've got an order to add more at 28,680. It will add more to the trade after Bitcoin comes down to this support. And that's where I would go long. If you haven't gone long, I would be opening long at 28,600. You have to always do your own due diligence, but that's where I would open my long. That's on Bybit account, and more will be added to the long. Another 1.7 Bitcoin at that 28,600. How much is that actually? It's around 1.7, so $2,800. So let's add another $1,000 at that price at 28,600 or 28,550. I'll add another $2,000 or $1,000 to that trade. I need to move more USDT to this account. Okay, so I'll move more USDT to my trading account. So I'm going to add more. Transfer. I'll put another $5,000 into here, into my trading account. And I'm going to make another $1,000 to that trade at 28,550 open long. It'll add another 1.74 Bitcoin, so that'll be 2,000. There's two orders to add Bitcoin at that point if it comes down there. Over on Binance, I had $412,000 in here earlier today. Now it's sitting at 404,000. So a big drop actually, around $8,000 drop. In this account, there's 404,000 US dollars. I've got BNB, around $100,000 worth of BNB. I will add more to BNB. I've got an order to add more to BNB at 260. We'll add another 192 BNB. I've got 3 Bitcoin in here, which pulled back quite a bit just now. That's my main trades. I've also got 1 million Luna, which is only valued at $200 now. So those are my trades. Those are my thoughts. Let's look at Ethereum as well. Actually, what's another very requested? Let's do a BNB because I want to buy more BNB. So the extreme panic fear of BNB was 225. That was an amazing place to buy because it almost had a 30% spike on one of the big companies, one of the top market cap companies. And BNB seems to be in this channel here it's been ranging in this channel between 225 and 470 going back to 2021. So even though it looks like it's been doing crazy shit, BNB has just been ranging between this range. Sometimes it broke higher, but it's been usually following this range, 225 to 450, 225 to 450. So adding more here is pretty good on this extreme fear dip. Stochastic is still heading up. RSI is also heading up from very oversold, and Squeeze Mob is going from very red to starting to go green. So this could be a good place to be adding BNB. Let's go into the 4 hourly. Squeeze Mob is going green. Stochastic is heading down, so we will get a cheaper price, it seems, on BNB. RSI is also heading down, so I think I can add more to my BNB. At 260, I've got an order, but it'll be better to add some at 272. So I'm going to add some at 272. So I'll add another 50 BNB at 270. Let's add another I need to move more USDT. I think I have BUSD BNB. My fiance is waiting, so I've got to go BNB BUSD. So I've got 600 USDT. I've got it all in Australian dollars, so I need to convert that, then I'll buy more BNB in the next video. So that's what I'm doing in the markets. Also, Magicraft, I bought a bunch of NFTs. If you want the NFT, they're doing a giveaway. They also have 1 Tesla. Magicraft has 1 Tesla. The NFTs now are launched. You can find them on magicraft.io. I bought a bunch of them, and they're also doing a 100 winner 100 NFT giveaway if you do some of the Gleam campaigns. The link will be in the description, so make sure you follow that. Literally love the way you actually show your trades. I'm learning so much from your videos. Thank you, DK. James is good at predicting drops. I can remember 2 times I should have listened to him. Hey man, appreciate your help. You're welcome. Also, there's a Tesla hidden within the NFTs, so make sure you check out that. The NFTs are the Mage, the Archer, True Shot, and the Warrior. They haven't been revealed, so I don't know which one I've got right now. And this is the Magicraft team building epic stuff. So that's what I'm doing with my trades. Let me know what you think. Do you think Bitcoin? I fully believe Bitcoin has bottomed here because of that extreme fear dip dip, that 80,000 Bitcoin sell by Luna. Do you think it's bottomed out Bitcoin? I'd love to know. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button, comment down below. If you comment down below that you've subscribed and you put 5 of your friends' YouTube names that you've got to subscribe to this channel, you need to get your friends to hit that subscribe button. If you put subscribed and put the 5 friends that you got to subscribe, I'm going to pick another winner of 200 USDT, which is beautiful. Thank you for watching, and always watch to the end so you get these amazing gifts kind of that I give out. Thank you for watching. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.